The Range Rover Velar is a style-conscious SUV with serious off-roading credentials that commands a high price to go with its fashionable looks. Slotting in between the smaller Evoque and larger Range Rover Sport, it comes with all the capability you'd expect from a Land Rover, loaded with the latest onboard technology. The Range Rover Velar has a wow factor that few SUVs can match, an undeniable part of its appeal, and the main reason buyers in this price range pick one brand over another. You can further enhance its looks with the R-Dynamic Styling Pack, transforming the car from smart 4x4 to glitzy bauble, with a Pandora's box of additional bling available. Inside, you'll probably like the Velar's simple interior, rendered largely from horizontal lines and bold rectilinear forms. The materials used throughout are high quality and deployed in interesting ways. Take the door trim. Instead of using a spear of wood or carbon fiber inlaid into the upper part of the door panels, Land Rover adds the owner's choice of wood or metal into the section of the door between the upper and lower panels. Every model gets futuristic-looking dual-screen infotainment system that is surrounded by a smart, minimalist dashboard with plenty of leather and soft-touch plastic trims. SE models and above also receive a third screen in the form of an interactive digital dial display. Bluetooth phone and audio connectivity, voice control, 8 speakers, in-dash navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto integration are all standard. A better audio system with more speakers and SiriusXM satellite radio requires additional options, or a move up through the Velar's trim levels. Every Velar comes with 4-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic gearbox as standard. There's a choice of efficient 4-cylinder petrol and diesel engines, while there's also the option of either self-charging and plug-in hybrid engines, if you're in the market for a hybrid SUV. Land Rover has dropped the powerful V6 from the current range, but you'll find these on the used market, while you might be tempted to search out a used Range Rover Velar with a stonking 5.0-litre V8 engine with a towering 550 PS. The EPA has rated the Velar's inline-6 engine as high as 20 miles per gallon city and 26 miles per gallon highway, but the turbocharged 4-cylinder is slightly more efficient, with ratings of 21 miles per gallon city and 27 miles per gallon highway. The Range Rover Velar starts at $58,300, which is an above-average starting price for the class. The range-topping Range Rover Velar R-Dynamic HSE carries a starting MSRP of $78,900. Thanks for watching, and give your comments below.